Moltes gràcies, senyor president. Dear colleagues, everyone complains about Hungary and Poland, but the real issue is if this House and the EU are ready to fight for fundamental rights also in Western Europe. In Spain, the Constitutional Court is led by an ex-member of Popular Party. Judiciary independence is non-existent. In Spain, under Popular Party governments, newspapers have been closed. Political parties have been banned. The former president of Catalonia, Artur Mas, now is facing a political trial for organizing a symbolic vote on independence 2 years ago. And yesterday, a pro-independence town hall member from Vic, Joan Coma, was asked 8 years of jail by Spanish justice only due to a pro-Catalan independence speech in his town hall. Dear Commissioner Timmermans, dear colleagues, I hope that the mechanism will be established and the EU will react to defend democracy everywhere in the EU. Moltes gràcies.